we create the virtual machine and Azure portal is open here. So first search the virtual machine. Virtual machine is a service VM. So here all the created virtual machine list is here. So we create a new virtual machine. So after click on the create button, then open this page. So first need to select the subscriptions, then need to create the new research group. So we are creating the new virtual machine. So we create the new resource group. Resource group is the open ADR and here is the virtual machine. So virtual machine is the open ADR. Here is region Asia Pacific Central India. Ability options. You can select the ability zone and here security type image. So which operating system you will use? So we use the Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS. So you can change it here. So and administrator account SSH public key or password. So I selected SSH keyboard. So you can enter the username, open area, and SSH public key resource, create a new key, generate new key pair. Yeah, you can use the existing public key. So I want to create the key pair. So I selected generate new key pair. So key pair name in open ADR underscore key, and here you can select the three ports. One port is HTTP, port number is 80, and other protocol is the HTTPS, port number is 443, and other protocol is SSL, port number is 22. So after that, click the new tab disk. So here the disk size is here. So this is the default disk size. So no need changes. If you want to custom, yeah, increase the disk size, increase the OS disk type. So you can change here. So we are not changing the any default properties. So click on the next tab, networking. So you can see the public IP, virtual network, all the properties of the networking. You can see it, you can change it here. So now we are not changing any type of properties in networking. So you can also select the load balancers, applications gateway here. So next tab is the management. We select the management. So also here Microsoft Defender is on for this virtual machines, and also you can change the auto shutdown, backup, guest OS updates. So now we are not changing any type of properties of the management. Next step is the net monitoring. So you can enable, disable of the monitoring properties. Click on the advanced. So you can see the advanced, you can set the custom data, user data also, performance in VME, and other properties also you can change it. So next tab is the tags, and other is the review and creating. So here you can see all the terms of the virtual machines, and also you can see the pricing of the virtual machines VM. So and also other tabs information is here, so you can see it. And if you want to change any information, then click on the previous, otherwise click on the create. So I am creating on the create. So we want to download the private key. So click here for download. So download completed and the virtual machine creation is progress. Deployment is progress. Progress, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Deployment will be completed, then virtual machines will be created. So we are waiting. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. We are waiting on this page. So deployment in progress. Microsoft Defender for Cloud is on. Yeah, deployment is completed. So we go to sources, resources, right. So now here created the virtual machine. Virtual machine name is the OpenADR. You can restart, you can do the restart, stop, capture, delete, refresh, and also there are the many options in the left side menu. Also we can check the which ports are open, which are not open. So now there are the three ports are open, 22, 80, 443. So we can create a port rule and we can open this. So we want to open another port. So create on the create port. So click on the create port rule and click on inbound port rules. So any source port range star and custom port number is 3000. So and TC. Okay, allow. So after that, the 3000 ports will be open. So now one port I opened just, so 3000 number port is opened now. So now the virtual machine is created here and you can see the overview, the public IP address, and also here is the so now the virtual machine is created here. So we in another videos we logged into the virtual machine by SSH key and and install the Apache server. Thank you guys.